Good things happen on a Honda. You can go wherever you please because good things happen on a Honda. Let them happen to you. Let them happen.
People want to look at it, and everybody wants to ride it. The Shadow from Honda.
Let's go get a VIN check, because if it's out of state title in Connecticut, got to get a VIN check. How'd you like that cold start? I liked it. So you got to go to an emission place. What the heck is that? That's a big squirrel. Oh yeah. I'm gonna wish I had the windshield today. Wish the sun would come out. Probably should have brought gloves too. It's like 52, 53 out. Pretty smooth bike. Big bike. Kind of feels like my Softail Classic Harley I had. Not quite as much power. Hey, birdie. Woo! See how it pulls this hill. 5th gear. Not bad. If I floor it, it'll actually gain on a hill. Like I said, it's like 45 horsepower. I forget the torque, but it's pretty good. It's not bad. It's not a fast bike. Comfortable bike so far. This does ride a lot smoother than my Softail Classic. I'll tell you that. Should be a fun bike. I bet that cop's coming after me. How you doing?
Because I didn't see it.
I know. I'm actually going to get a VIN check right now.
Okay. Where are you trying to do the VIN check?
Right in New Milford.
Okay. Where?
At the where they do the emissions, right next to. It's like across from. I have insurance and everything.
Yeah. Let's look at it.
Yeah.
Where are you trying to register it?
I'm going to register it through DMV, which I was making an appointment, and I didn't realize I had to have a VIN check because it's a New York plate. It was registered in New York, I should say. So I have to get a VIN check before I can do it.
Well, I might be able to do it for you.
Oh, perfect.
Do you have the paperwork or no?
That is everything.
Usually there's a piece of paper that has the paper.
I don't have that.
Okay.
Do you have it at the...
No, I don't. If you just have your license, I'll just give you a warning and get you out of here. Are you trying to register in Florida?
No, I'm going to register it here because I have a house here still.
Okay.
I go back and forth.
Yeah, let me just put this in. I'll get you out of here.
All right.
All right, sir. You're all set. Just give you a warning. You're all set. All right.
Can I continue to...
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
That's just so I don't continue driving with no plate, right? Is that... All right.
Yeah, I was just...
I knew why I was getting pulled over.
Yeah, you're all set.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Yep.
Just a warning, huh? Well, that was nice of him. I suppose I could have trailered it over. But there's your answer, boys. Did I have a plate on it when I was test driving it? No. I wanted to drive it. It's a pain in the neck putting it on a trailer. Yeah, she cruises pretty nice. Runs really good. Nice, no turn signal, huh? Handles the bumps pretty good. See, police aren't all bad. I just thought of something. He gave me a warning, but no paper. It must have been just a verbal warning, and he wrote down my information. Must have been. Ooh, do you see that hornet's nest? Oh my God. Good Lord, that was a big one. Are they even open? Yeah, say they're open. Says they're open, but there's nobody here. Uh-oh, it is open.
But I'm sure it's definitely
VIN check on a bike?
I believe we can do that at least.
Yeah, you do emissions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know we do motorcycles, I just want to make sure. The title,
Yeah.
do you know where the VIN is on the...
You could see it right on the side, up on the front. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't realize that door was there. Should be right there in the frame there.
Well, I Googled it and it said on the steering head, which is up here.
A lot of times that's where it is on a bike. No plate. I literally got pulled over on the way over too. I was like, I'm going to get a VIN check.
Oh, mileage. Is it digital?
Yeah, it's down there.
15.
Just $10.
Get that in there. Thanks. Now I got to return something at UPS. Now if I can get this out of here. It was a tight fit.
That's what he says.
Thank you, you too. Stick to the back roads. These big cruisers with the long rake, they handle so much different on corners and when you turn, because you got to really turn the steering a lot more than a regular bike, especially a sport bike. And hopefully it's a nice enough day. We'll take the CBR 600RR. Just touched my heel, so I won't be doing any knee dragging. That's my biggest gripe about these cruisers, you know. I mean, that wasn't like a super fast, super leaning turn, but apparently it was. Pulls pretty good, nothing crazy. We'll take this way. What the heck is going on? It's cool, we'll do 30 all the way home. The heck kind of car is that? Like, what do they do? Sam Careers? Sam Growing? Guess they don't have good drivers. Oh, he must have been texting. Look at him take off now. Do a little... What the hell's he doing? He's driving all illegal with no plate and everything. Bitching about somebody else. Guess I should have gone the other way, boys. Well, I guess the moral of today's story is keep your bikes legal. Hardly ever see any police around here. Just the way it is sometimes, boys. But the Shadow's running good. Definitely gonna be a fun little cruiser. The wife might even ride on the back. Maybe I'll put that smart riding system on here. It definitely would mount up easier. Pretty tight on that 600RR. Didn't see any brothers out today. It's a little too cold. Yeah, it's got a nice soft ride.
A few moments later.
After all that, they put too many zeros on a paper. Unbelievable. You got to check everything. It's my fault for not checking. I'll even wear gloves. Nobody could do their damn jobs anymore. Unbelievable. I gotta drive all the way back with no plate. I should have recorded the conversation because he's like, oh, you can come tomorrow. I'm like, I want to come like right now while my guy's leaving. I said I could be there in less than 15 minutes. He's like, oh, well, if you can be here in less than 15, you know, he'll be here. I'm like, well, tell him to wait. He's the same guy that did it. He's like, yeah. I said, well, it was his mess up. Tell him to wait. Keep it on the road, buddy. Oh boy, why'd I go this way? Not even gonna make the light. No, I'm turning in here.
I apologize for that, man. Apparently, oh yeah.
One more zero.
4.
Oh, I didn't even realize. I saw 3 zeros and I was like, oh man.
That's supposed to be there.
Nah, there's not 3 zeros. It's 2 zeros. That's what I noticed off the bat.
So I missed.
You dropped 1 0. Right.
Extra 0 in.
They wouldn't do it. You can't even put like another mark on the paper. They drop it, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, they don't play around. Yeah, that's right. You did miss a 4 also.
Yeah, the 4 on the end. That's what I thought. That's what I thought the problem was.
2R.
That was wrong too.
Was it?
Yeah. I had the R and the 2 backwards.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's one of those days for me too. A210, 244. Yep. Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a better day.
It's better that I see it now than when I'm at DMV. Back home. Holy mackerel. Oop, wrong button. Scrape my heel again. What the hell, man? Everybody's over the line. Home again, naturally.
Now you know who's in charge.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.